Hi there, traders. This is Art Dill, your emini success coach, with a recap of our trades for February 24th, 2012. This was a very narrow range trading day today, and so we were ignoring entry triggers. And the reason I put the 3-minute chart up here is I wanted to show you that how we're trading narrow range days is we're trying to trade short when the price on the 3-minute has come up here and tagged the upper Keltner channel band, and we're trying to trade long after the price has come down here and tagged the lower Keltner channel band. And then I use both the 50 tick chart and the 89 tick chart to place the entries once that price movement has occurred on the 3-minute chart. So I just placed the arrows here on the 3-minute chart. This was our first entry right here, 12,986. This was at 6:32, right after the open, and it was a short. We ended up getting two targets, 7 and 15 points. Final target being 12,971. By the way, we ended the day up a net plus 34 Dow points here. No NASDAQ trades today. They were all on the Dow. And this was our second trade of the day. This was an entry at 12,967. That was at 646. And you can see this is the arrow on the 3-minute chart. And you can see where price is. It has come down actually through the lower Keltner channel band. Here is that arrow on the 89 tick chart where we took our entry. And two contracts, plus 7 and plus 15 points. So that was a nice second trade of the day. I missed a short opportunity here. This was like a 709, where we did come up on the 3-minute tag our upper Keltner channel band at 709. And here's that price action over here on the 89 tick chart. So I definitely had an opportunity to go short basically right about in here. And that would have been a nice, very nice trade, but simply missed that short. The third trade we took today was, or on the 24th, was right here, and that's this arrow. And that was actually an entry that really should not have had. I forced that one a little bit. Here it was on the 3-minute chart. You can see we had tagged the upper Keltner, but it was not really a great entry set up. We had put in this pivot low. I got short at 12,975. My stop was very tight. I had a 10-point stop, 12,985. I only put one contract on here. I actually added at 12,980, and I ended up exiting both those contracts at 12,985. So our third trade was a losing trade minus a total of 15 Dow points. And that was all the trading in the morning. I did have a couple of afternoon trades, and let me show you those. And this was the actually our fourth trade of the day. And again, let me show you on the 3-minute chart. Here's the arrow. This is after the price had come down here, actually tagged this lower Keltner channel band. I took an entry right here, long, 12,966, And again, that was actually not the best setup in the world. I did take it. I had my stop at 12,956. So again, a very tight stop. I got 7 points. I took 2 contracts here, and I did get up to first target 12,973. I actually was trying for 10 and 15 on this trade. Uh, I felt that we would possibly move quite a bit higher, actually, but as the market always proves, it knows better than I do. But when we got to 12,973, I did go ahead and bring my stops to break even at 12,966. So I got out of that trade at break even. And this is the last trade of the day. And again, here we are. This was the prior trade where we ended up out at break even on this entry. Here we are, though, still looking at the 3-minute chart. Price is still down here below the, now at the lower Keltner channel band here. This is the arrow where corresponds to this arrow on the 89 tick chart. So this is where we took that trade long, and it was a long at 12,946. We got first target 12,953. I did go ahead and get out at 12,953. Came back here within 1 tick of stopping us out at break even on the second contract, and then it started back up, and I thought we had a good opportunity to possibly get our second target, but then it rolled back over and stopped us out at break even on the second contract at 12,946. So for a narrow range trading day, not a bad day. Honestly, if I were trading without a trading room, I would be going out and trying to play around to golf on narrow range trading days because they are quite difficult to trade. That's it for the day. I'm going to discontinue the recording. I'll get this posted to YouTube. Come join us in the room, folks. It doesn't cost you anything. For the first couple of weeks, you can see on regular days, you can see these entry triggers that you see here, the red and green little dots, fire off in real time, and how we use them to assist us in taking trades. Have a great weekend, everyone, and see you next week.